Welcome back to the channel, and today we have one of my favourite videos I have ever shot, showing the brutality of nature but also the beauty of it. A Sundew carnivorous plant versus a lacewing. This is a Cape Sundew, and usually these insects are too big for this plant. But not this time. This glue is strong and sticky. A Cape Sundew like this is usually designed to catch smaller flies, just like this one, who have no chance of escape. But how can it deal with a larger prey such as a lacewing? I film much of this video in 8K on my macro lens to capture all of the incredible detail in the carnivorous plant and the insect, capturing the droplets of glue on the sundew's leaves to the glistening wings on the insect. This time of year we get a lot of these lacewings in my Venus flytrap den and carnivorous plant room. And this time-lapse clip shows what happens when they land on the wrong plant. This clip was taken over about 15 minutes. And it shows what happens when the insect struggles and scrambles and tries to break free. But the glue on these plants is just so powerful, and the more it struggles, the more trouble it is in. It is often not known, but sundews and Venus flytraps share a common ancestor. And they're split from the same evolutionary line millions of years ago, but developed totally different methods of catching their prey. And this next bit of footage is my favourite, shot over about an hour in time-lapse, and shows how the plant moves and breathes and reacts to the light, the environment and its prey, the leaves twisting and contorting. With all its attempts to break free, it is now stuck fast, and there is no escaping this incredible carnivorous plant. This next section was shot over about 4.5 hours and shows how this incredible sundew works to catch its prey, slowly folding over to envelop it. Once this insect is fully caught, the plant then releases digestive enzymes that break the insect down into liquid nutrients. Over the next few hours and days, the sundew will absorb those nutrients through the leaf surface, fueling new growth and helping it survive in the poor soil conditions and grow to be a bigger, stronger, better plant, ready to catch more insects.
Mr. Naked Landscaper.